is going on, guys? Welcome to Jason's RCs. We got Bob the Builder in the house. If you guys caught last week's little short I did, we added a bunch of stuff behind the camera, or along my wall. So we are going to do a follow the leader. So yeah, we'll get some batteries in his Deadbolt and his Jeep. We're going to use Dad's trucks. I actually like those trucks the best, I think, out of all of our trucks. They're borderline like stockish modded. They're like right a happy medium. Gives a really good challenge to driving. I just like the way they're set up. So anyway, let's get some batteries in them and we'll get rolling. Be right back, guys. All right, guys, look at that. Aren't those things just sexy? Hell yeah. Okay, let's get this rolling. I'll start out leading and Dad will follow. First one to screw up goes to the back of the line. So stinking sweet. And I'm about ready to screw up already. Hell yeah. This corner is tricky. Oh, we got a down tree. We have a down tree. It's kind of an OCD issue. I had to fix it. Oh man, see? Dana almost did the same thing, but he was lucky enough to get out of it. See, now the tire's all like wedged in there. And it's so hard to get out. Okay, I gotta pause because this is gonna take a little bit. Okay, we got him unstuck. One, which is right here. First one to mess up, which is like hitting a gate or something, goes to the back of the line. Look at that. Now we go over to gate 2.
Playing lumberjack today, huh? Another tree down.
Another tree down?
2 of them.
So stinking sweet. Okay, here's the first difficult gate. Let's see if I can't get through here without hitting it. Oh man. Oh. Oh, back of the line. You want to move me to the back of the line, Dad?
Back of the line.
Back of the line.
Back of the line, son.
Now Dad's turn. So cool. Oh, why? Oh, malfunction. Be right back, guys. All right, guys, we are fixed and all ready to go.
God.
I was gonna try pushing it.
Oh, cow. This is...
Oh, you hit the gate. My turn.
Oh, that's gonna be a tough one.
The track's getting a little eroded. Why don't you take some of the dirt from underneath that ramp? Yeah, there you go.
You make that harder, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you redesigned it. Oh, show off. I was only gate what?
2.
We're gonna be here till Christmas.
Maybe we'll go through the first 5 and then we'll go around the big circle. Dad's a little bit of a crazy driver. He likes that throttle. Oh, I hit the gate.
Oh, back of the line, sonny boy. Oh, I hit it.
No, you didn't actually. It was a rock that hit it. Oh, you almost hit it that time though.
Yeah, dog. Okay, where's 4?
That's 3. So 4 is over toward the campsite. Okay. Gotta relocate. Oh, wipe out. Back of the line.
Oh, man.
Back of the line. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Okay. See, Dad has to watch. Let's see what the trick is. See that? Oh, I wasn't even filming it. Oh, you almost had it.
Oh.
Yeah, now you're high centered. Oh. I'm thinking that motor is going to be fried here in a little bit. Now you're stuck.
Oh, I'm stuck for good.
There you go. There you go.
There we
Now
go.
you got it. Don't knock over the canoe. Oops, I'm going the wrong way. There we go. Ooh, we got quite the erosion going on underneath here. Ooh, made it. It. Oh yeah, he's a little crooked, but I think he can pull it off. Ah. Okay, all fueled up and ready to go. Ooh, that was a close one. We're gonna lay to gate 5, which is a doozy of a gate. probably still pull it off. Yeah, back straight up and realign. There you go. Okay, so that was gate 5, and now I think we're just gonna roll on to the new section of the course. We got an addition on the course from last week, and I'm not talking about the little rocks either.
Bob the Builder strike again.
Bob the Builder was hard at work behind the scenes, and he created something really amazing. So stinking sweet. Wait until you guys see it. Oh, we went the wrong way.
Did we?
Yeah.
Hey, can you try them?
Oh yeah, we'll go up through this way. Oh, these tires do not grip very well. Ooh, there we go. Oh man. There we go. Oh! Oh crap.
You can save it.
Nope, I'm done for. So back of the line.
It's gonna go right up there.
Let's see if Dad can do it. Oh no, doesn't look like it. Oh yeah, he recovered. Nope,
Oh, I killed him.
he down. He down. Bob the Builder down. That's what we need to do now. We need to get you. We need to make you a.
We're gonna have some lamb chops.
Oh, we got lamb chops to dinner, guys. That's what we need to do. We need to make a Bob the Builder truck.
Yeah,
Heck yeah.
that's gonna be on the menu.
All right. Working our way up to the new addition to the track. Here we go, guys. The debut of the new feature of the track. Dun 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 dun. So stinking sweet. Look at that. That is so awesome. Oh, I love it. So stinking cool. Oh, and we got another top secret project going on underneath the box. Oh, 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 this one came out. This makes it so much easier to get down this thing now. Oh, climbing the wall. Don't have to worry about falling off. So cool. Looks like we're going through the sky. The Sky Bridge. Going right down to the new section of the course. Tricky, tricky. All about tire placement. Whoa. We gotta get Dad set up with a new electronic in there to give him better throttle control. One thing that helps, Dad, if you flip up your lid on your remote,
Yeah.
there's a high and a low setting. This switch right here,
Yep.
if you flip it to low, it won't be as jumpy. You'll have to give it like full beans though. And if you don't like it, then you can jump it up to medium.
I have one and Brandon has one. Freaking cool. So Deadbolt rear in the front, Jeep C10 rear in the back. Kind of crazy.
Ooh,
Hell yeah.
almost went over.
Yes, it is. It is the Ultra Roof.
Check it out, guys. Got my live stream playing in the background. Oh, we got the big hole coming up. Whoa. So this bumper, guys, was made by that guy right there. Check him out, guys. Tinker Time RC. There's his website and his email. Oh, Dad's having some problems.
Helping hand.
Helping hand. Hand of God.
Oh, cockeyed. Golly. This is hard. This is my first time going across.
Yeah. This is like my fifth time. Like, probably more like 500th. I don't know how many different takes I did on that, making that short from last week. Oh man.
40. What did I get last? 75. So I even go last. I didn't come in last.
Dad's doing pretty good. So cool.
I'm breaking into a sweat.
Ooh, can he save it? Nope. He's gonna fall. There he goes. He's gonna fall. Wipe out.
Big time. All right, more.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, cockeyed.
There we
My
go.
body's cockeyed. Oh, my word.
There we go. Heck yeah. There we go, guys. Heck yeah. Father and son, follow the leader. I think it was a pretty equal match. So yeah. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Again, happy Friday. Bob the Builder in the house. Hell yeah. Tomorrow night, stay tuned. It's going to be the announcement, I think. I gotta double check.
Top secret.
But make sure you guys go and comment on the last upgrade video for the 1,000 sub giveaway truck. That video enters you into winning this truck, the last upgrade video. Bam. Make sure you go and comment on that so you get entered to win, and it could be yours. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.